If you have some information that you want to hide from your work file, you can do this in a couple of ways. First one is with easy functionality of Excel, and that is to hide sheet. Just right-click on the sheet name that you want to hide, and select Hide option. Now it is hidden. When you want to get it back, just right-click on any sheet name, and choose to unhide. But what if you want to really hide this sheet, so that it will not be visible in Unhide option? Here. You will do this from Visual Basic window. Easiest way to get to this window is to right-click on the sheet name, and then choose this option, see here, View Code. Now, it can happen that you don't have this view. Like this maybe, when I close this, just empty window. Then, go here, in View tab and launch Project Explorer window. From here you can select which sheet, from your current file you want to hide, and then go back to View tab and now select Properties window. We have some properties here, but the one that we are looking for is called Visible, this one here. Just click on the box on the right side, and drop-down menu arrow will appear. From here we can set visibility property of our sheet. We will choose this one, Very Hidden. Just save this change, up here, with this floppy disk icon, and close Visual Basic window. See now, when we try to check if there are hidden sheets, and maybe to unhide them, there is nothing here. Please keep in mind that this is not 100% security for your data. If another user know about this, he can easily recover this sheet by just going back here to Visual Basic window, and setting this property to visible. If you want complete security for your data, then you can hide your sheet, and then turn on Workbook Protection. It is located here, in Review tab under Protect segment. See what is this option doing? Keeps other from making structural changes to your workbook, such as moving, deleting, and adding sheets. But before we turn this on, we first need to hide our sheet. Right-click and hide. Now go back here, click on Protect Workbook, and you will be prompted to enter password 2 times. After you do this, your workbook is protected with password and no one can unhide it. They can see the name of the sheet from Visual Basic, but they can't change visibility property, because workbook is protected with your password. To unlock, just click on this command, and enter your passcode. This was all for this video. 3 easy ways to hide your sheets. If you like this video, please subscribe, and also check out my web page to learn more about Excel.